from where we left. Here, this is the term. They all are binomial terms and we have to add it. We can use horizontal method and column method. What we have to do is that we have to add. So while adding these terms, we will take the like terms in one side and unlike terms the other side, as how I did over here. All the like terms, I took it along with the sign, whatever sign it was having. Now try to take common of x, y, z, and then this minus 3 plus 12 and minus 10 will be left. Now 12 minus 10 will give you 2, and here minus 3 plus 2 will give you minus 1. So open the braces, multiply minus 1 with this, so it will turn into minus xyz plus 12xy, because it is not having any of the like term. All right, so minus xyz, 12xy. Now here in the constant, we can take all the constant together. 6 plus 2 plus 1 minus 3, which will give you 6. So this is one way to do it. Another way is that you try to put the like terms in one row, all right, and do the operation. And here it is not having any other like term, so it will be single. Here in this column it will be written like this, because ultimately we are adding here. See, plus 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 at the last, and here do the calculation you will. So here minus xyz plus 12xy plus 6, there is no difference if you are using the horizontal or column method. Clear? But generally this, try to prefer this one, because it will make your error very less, I mean negligible. This is more proper and correct way to do it, because if you are doing in this, it might be that in hurry you can skip any one of the sign, or you can skip any one of the numbers, or sorry, terms. Now here, subtraction of algebraic expression. Now minus 4xy square minus 3x from 12xy square minus 2xy. So this you have to subtract from this. So you will write like this. I am using column method. Then put the sign like this. Now at the below you have to do subtraction part. So use the this. It is very important that you try to do it like this only. Do not convert and then write. You better write the sign what is there. Here minus 4xy square, so write it like this. Here minus 3xy, write it like this. And at the below, try to put minus, because you are ultimately subtracting. So now minus and minus, it will turn into, in multiplication it will turn into plus. And here also minus into minus will turn into plus. So ultimately the sign in front of xy will be plus, and here in front of 4xy y square will be plus. Now 12xy square plus 4xy square will give you 16xy square. Here also the sign has changed, so it will be plus 3xy. Here it is 2xy. So which sign is greater? Which sign is greater? Plus. And which number? So you try to subtract 3 minus 2, that is 1, or leave it xy. So here the answer will be 16xy square plus xy. Clear? But if suppose you were adding it, then the result would be different, because here the plus sign would be there. So plus into minus will give you minus only. So 12xy square minus 4xy square would give you 8xy square. Here also plus, here minus is there, here plus you would have done it. then minus would have been changed and minus would become minus 5xy. So 8xy square minus 5xy. Clear? Now another expression, minus 42x to the power 4 y square z minus 41x cube yz minus 29xyz from minus 29x cube yz minus 42xyz plus 120. Try to write it like this. Now here this is single. It is not having any other like term to make it in a row. So this we try to separate it. Now write the numbers just below the like terms like this, how we have written it. Now you have to do subtraction part. It is already having minus sign. So when you try to minus here, minus here, minus here, minus here. Now here minus and minus will turn into plus. You will be writing 42x to the power 4 y square z. Now here minus and minus will turn into plus. Now here it is having plus sign, here it is having minus. So first you will write the sign plus and then you try to minus from the numerals. 41 minus 29, it will give you 12. Clear? Are you getting or not? Now here the terms are the same, so you try to put the terms here only, x cube yz. Now here again minus was there and you are doing subtraction, so minus and minus will turn into plus. Here is plus, here is minus. Which sign is bigger? Minus. Put minus over here. Then try to 42 minus 29 will give you 13. XYZ try to take. Now here minus and here on the above. Here in this part you do not have any term. So this will turn into minus. Plus into minus will give you minus. Copy that part. Clear? Now value, if we are using value, how to find out, how to simplify or how to find out the number while using the values. So here x is being assigned as minus 1, y is assigned as minus 2 in this expression. Now we will replace x as minus 1, here y as minus 2. So minus 3 into minus 1 will give you 3, isn't it? Now minus 4 into minus 2 will give you, minus 4 into minus 2 will give you plus 8. Minus minus will turn into plus, and 2 into 4 is 8. 8. And here minus 4 and minus 6 we can represent as minus 10. And here plus 5 into minus 1 will give you minus 5. Try to understand this way. And minus, now here it was 3, here it is having minus 5. Clear? Now here you are having 8 plus 8, here you are having minus 10. If you calculate this, the answer will come minus 4. Now another method to do it. Here minus 3x is here and here plus 5x. The same terms are there. Do this subtraction part. 5x minus 3x will give you 2x only. Now here 2x will be left and here 5y will be left. 4y will be left, and here it will turns minus and minus are same, so minus 10. Now here 2x, put the value of x minus 1. Here put the value of y minus 2. So here minus 2, here 8 plus 8 as I have discussed, and this is minus 10. So now minus 2 plus minus 2 and minus 10 is minus 12, and minus 12 and plus 8 will give you minus 4. In the both the ways you can do it. It depends upon you. Now come on the classwork. I mean different questions we will discuss. Here 5 times of x is added to 13. 5 times of x means 5 into 5 into x, that is 5x is added to 13. 5x plus 13 or 13 plus 5x. You have already studied in commutative law. Here 5 times of x is subtracted from 13. Here it was added, here it is subtracted. So subtracted from 13. All right. So it will be 13 minus 5x. 5 times of x is more than 3 times of y. 5 times of x means 5x. Here 3 times of y is 3y. 5x plus 3y or 3y plus 5x. 5x of x, 5 times of x is less than 3 times of y. Here it was more, here it is less. So 5x is less than 3 times of y. So 3y minus 5x. Clear? Now the difference of xy means x minus y. Now remember, while doing these things, 3-4 things you should remember. The first thing is that while adding, the term is used sum. In many places you will read the term sum, and for the subtraction it will be a difference. For multiplication it's a product. All right. So these 3-4 terms which are very common, and it is used in these problem solving questions as well. Here the difference of xy means x minus y is more than, means it is added from the product of the same, means xy plus x minus y. Clear? Now write down the algebraic expression for below term. See, 3xy minus 5y, 24z and 24. So we can represent like this: 3xy minus 5y plus 24z plus 24. And it can be that if you have to write this algebraic expression into term, so you can separate it this way. Write down the variable and numeral factors by tree diagram by above expression. Of this above expression, you have to make a tree diagram first, and you have to mention what are the numeral factors and what are the variable factors. Here the numeral factors will be 3, minus 5, 24, 24. They are the numeral constant factors. Here variable factors x, y, z. Clear? They are the variable factors. Clear? With this tree I just made it. Now write down the numeral coefficient of each below term. What are the numeral coefficient of each below term? Here x, y is a variable and 3 is a numeral. So for this variable 3 is a coefficient. Similarly for y, minus 5 will be the coefficient. For z, 24 will be the coefficient. Clear? Now write down the term 8x cube y cube z. Write down the coefficient of 2x and 2x square y. How to do it? Now here in the first it is asked 2x. 8x cube y cube z divided by 2x. Now here what you have to do, you just simply do the division part, you cancel it each one, and this part will be left only. 4x square y cube z. This will be the coefficient of 2x. Clear? Now for the second example, let's discuss for the second example. 8x cube y cube z divided by 2x square y. So what you have to do, just try to cancel it. Whatever is left will be the coefficient. Clear? Like here, write with the term this, it's a binomial term. Write down the coefficient of 2x. How to do it? This divided by this minus this divided by 2x. Now can I split 8 as 2 cube? 2 into 2 into 2 will give you 8 only. We can write. Now the powers are the same. Just wrote like this. Now here when I am making it on the numerator part, this denominator, can I write like this? 2 minus 1. This all you have already studied in exponents and power in class 6. And x as minus 1. Here both the terms are same. So you have already studied a m plus n. So here 2, 3 minus 1, which will give you 2 square, that is 4. Here x cube minus 1 will give you x square. So 4x square y cube z1, because after that no terms are there, so that will remain the same. Only these two terms will be changed, because here we are having, so look over here, this came 4x square y cube z. Now similarly do with this way as well. 2 is written, we can write as 1. X square y minus 2 minus 1 x minus 1. Similarly, now here it is having 1, here it is having minus 1. So they both will be 2 to the power 0, which means 1 only, as you have already studied this law. Now for this x square, and here x is minus 1. X 2 minus 1 will give you 1 only. That means x will remain only. And here y is there, no part is there, so y remain the same. So here it will be xy only left. So the coefficient will be 4x square y cube z minus xy for 2x for this binomial term. Clear? Now classify monomial, binomial, trinomial and multinomial from the below term. Here this is having 3 terms. So this is having 3 terms, so it is a trinomial. It is having 2 terms, plus is separating 2 terms, so it is a binomial. Here plus and 2 minus are separating 4 terms, so it is a multinomial. And here it is having 1 term only, it is a monomial. Clear? Now to identify the like terms in the following. Now these are the different terms which are given. It is a very you have to be pay more attention while doing such type of long expressions or terms. What you should do is that try to divide it, try to write all the like terms here, whatever possible like terms are here present, and then according to it try to write it. Suppose that p square q square, like here, or we can say pq whole square to whole square. So we can say it like this. Here you find this part, write it over here, then check any other part which is similar to this 12 q square p square. If we rearrange it, we can write like this, 12 p square q square. So with this way you will be writing like this in a different way. These are the like terms, you have separated it. Find the sum of the above algebraic expression. You have to solve it, you have to add it. Sum means you have to add. This is, you will write like this. Now another, just below the like term you will be doing it like this. Then here This is different from this, so separate it, write it over here, and the constant will be one side. Now put the addition mark over here and try to add it. 9x square y, this is 5x, and this will 10 plus 10 becomes 20. 20 minus 25 will give you minus 5. Clear? Now simplify the following. This is the question. Now you take the LCM of 5 and 3, 15. 15 into 5 into 3 is 15, so 3 multiply with the numerator part. Now here 3 into 5 is 15, so 5 multiplied with 2x. Here take the LCM, 10 will be the LCM. 2 into 5 will give you 10, 5 multiplied by x into x. Now 5 into 2 is 10, so multiply 2x with 2, you will be getting this. After that, now remove the braces and try to take the LCM of 15 and 10, that is 30. Here I have done the rough work. Now 15 into 2 is 30, multiply with the numerator part, that is 19x into 2, that is 38x. Now here 10 into 3 will give you 30, multiply with 9x, 9x into 3 will give you 27x. Answer will be 11x upon 30. Clear? Now if the perimeter of a triangle is 9x square y minus 6xy square minus 18, and the two lengths are given 4x square y plus 12xy square minus 10 and minus 4x square y minus 5xy square plus 15, find the third length of a triangle. Now sum of all the three sides of a triangle is equals to the perimeter of a triangle. Now two sides are already given. Do the addition part of the two sides. These are the two sides. 4x square y plus 12xy square minus 10 minus 4x square y, like terms in one, just in a row like here, and try to add it. Here plus sign is there. This is the same, so it will be cancelled. Now here 12xy square minus 5xy square will give you 7xy square. Here minus 10, here it is plus, it will give you plus 5. Plus third side, plus third, these are the two sides, plus the third side will give you the perimeter. So here is the perimeter. Now try to transfer this side. Alright, now see, minus, and within the braces it is 7x square 7xy square plus 5. Now as soon as the you remove the braces, it will turn into as a minus 7xy square and it will become minus 5. Clear? Now 7xy square y minus 6xy square minus 18, just try to write this on the same like terms. Here minus 7xy square minus 5, do the addition part. Here 9x square y, this plus minus will turn into minus only, so minus and minus is minus, and 7 plus 6 is 13, the same term xy square, and here it will be minus only, so minus and minus will give you minus, and 18 plus 5 is 23. So this will be the answer. The third side will be 9x square y minus 13xy square minus 23. Now how much is 6p minus 9q plus 4r less than 8p plus 2q minus 5r? So what you have to do, you have to subtract this from this, then only you can get the part which is less, how much it is less. So 8p plus 2q minus 5r, here 6p, here it is minus 9q, here it is plus 4r. Now you are doing the subtraction, so here minus and plus will turn into minus, so 8p minus 6p will give you 2p. Here minus was already there, so minus and minus will turn into plus. You will write plus 9q plus 2q will give you plus 11q. Here plus and minus will turn into minus, but and here also it is minus, so minus, try to put the sign here, and 5 plus 4 is 9r. This will be the answer. Now if a is 3, b is minus 1, find the value of each of the below term. Like here a upon b plus b upon a and the whole to the power is b. 4ab plus 5a square b minus 2a cube b. Now here put the value over here. 3 is a is 3, so try to put the value 3 upon minus 1 plus minus 1 upon 3, and in the whole the power will be minus 1 only. Now do the calculation part here. Take the LCM. 3 1 into 3 will give you 3, so 3 multiplied with minus 3 will give you minus 9. Here it is with 1 into 3 into 1 is 3, so 1 into 1 will give you 1. So here the sign is already minus, so minus 9 and minus 1 will become minus 10. Minus 10 upon 3, minus is there, this is the sign which can reverse it, reverse identity. Try to if you want to change this sign, so try to change the numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator part. This 10 upon 3 becomes 3 upon 10. Sign won't be changed, but this part will be changed, flipped. This is the answer for this. Now 4ab plus 5a square b minus 2a cube b. Now can we split like this? 4 into a into b, so a is having 3, b is having minus 1. Here 5 into a into b, a is having 3, 3 into 3, 2 times a, and b is having minus 1. Now here minus 2 into a into a into a into b, 3 times a, put the value of 3 on the a term. Now 4 into 3 into minus 1 will give you minus 12. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into minus 1 will give you minus 12. Here 5 into 3 is 15. 15 into 3 is 45. 45 into minus 1 will give you minus 45. Here 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 3 is 18. 18 into 3 is 54. 54 into minus 1 is give you minus 1. But the sign is already here is minus. So as soon as you remove the braces, minus into minus will turn into plus 54. Here like this. Now here minus 12 and minus 45 will turn into minus 57. Here it is having plus sign. So the answer here, the sign is bigger, so try to write the sign, and here try to do the subtraction.